What is up guys, this is actually one of the best Android 12 ROMs period. This is DerpFest OS for the Poco X3 Pro and I've been using this ROM since like around 1 day now. In today's video I'm going to talk about the things which are amazing, and this is the first impression video. I'm going to make a full review very soon, but let's just talk about the things which are really awesome and why I think this is actually the perfect Android 12 ROM ever made for the X3 Pro. Let's just start off with the app opening animations. As you guys can see, the app opening animations are really fast. Like earlier it was a lot laggy, it was not fun at all. Like if you are using this ROM and trying to open apps or do whatever you want, you will feel like it's lagging a lot, it's not the smoothest. But now they have actually improved a lot. Like open any app you want, it's going to be super smooth, and that is one of the best things about this ROM. And now let's just talk about the customization. Like here, as you guys can see, they have first removed that option of screenshot, and now they have also added an option called lens. So now you can basically just tap on that lens option, it will take a screenshot and you can search anything you want from the content of your recent. That is crazy good. Like this ROM is actually based on real life functionality. We also have an icon of clear all, which will clear all the recent apps normally, which is really awesome. And as you guys can see, the widgets are working fine now. You know why? Because now we have given all the permissions. It is looking absolutely awesome and pretty dope, right? Now let's just talk about other things like Material UI. How good is that? So if I say about Material UI, let's just go in home screen settings and talk about that. So no, let's go in wallpapers and styles and talk about Material UI. So in Material UI, as you guys can see, we have the option of themed icons, which is really awesome. And if you enable this option, all the icons are actually themed. But there's one thing I don't like, that is, I mean, YouTube Studio is like the main app of Google, and this Wipro, these apps are not in accordance with the theme. I don't know why, because they should be. Like it looks so clean and nice and minimalistic, as you guys can see right now. So if this and these two apps would have been, then it would be amazing to use. So now, other than the personalization, we have this Google search bar here, and in this search bar we also have this Google Lens icon. You can just tap on it, then you can search any image you want, like this one. As you guys can see, it's going to show similar results of the image I have searched right now, this one, and these are the results. So yeah, these are the things which are really awesome. It is like purely Google based ROM. We also have that unlimited storage. As you guys can see, your account has this pixel has unlimited and free storage, which is also awesome. So yeah, we have that unlimited storage option in this ROM. And now let's just talk about some of the quick things which are amazing and which just caught my eye really. Like I feel like this ROM would be incomplete without those tweaks and things which are amazing, just really amazing. So first thing which is amazing is go in settings, and in settings we have an option in the display. Yeah, in the display you have an option. Let me just try to search. Yeah, advanced display features. Just tap here, you have an option called high brightness mode. If you enable this, you guys can see the brightness just bumps up, and you know what, it is actually really good for outdoor usage. So let me just try to like increase the brightness full. As you guys can see, now this is the full brightness, right? If I tap the button, you will notice a difference. Okay, boom. As you guys can see, the brightness has actually increased even more than the full brightness, and this just makes it a lot more sense, because normally if you're using this smartphone in outdoors, you really need high brightness, because this is an LCD display which is 120 hertz. But yeah, it is very good, it is a very good feature. And then when you're using at night, we also have a feature called extra dim. So let's try like enable that. There you go. Now this is extra dim. It's dimmer than the most dimmest. As you guys can see, you can barely see the display. It's extra dim. If you disable this, you can like literally see a bit of it, and now you can see all. So these are the things which are like small tweaks and perks of the DerpFest OS, which is awesome. And we all know the Antutu score is outstanding. It's crazy good. And to be honest, I haven't tested the Antutu yet, but there's one thing I can tell you. Like after using a lot of Android 12 ROMs, this one, it's different. Like it's definitely different. It offers excellent usage. I just love the fact the animations are so smooth and fluid. Like they just makes a lot of sense scrolling or doing whatever you want, because Android 12 ROMs were so buggy earlier. Like you literally never wanted to use them because of the fact that the animations took so much time to open. App open animations were just very glitchy. This one also comes with the Google Camera Go, as you guys can see. and it is actually pretty useful for normal day-to-day task. You are gonna be fine with it. But yeah, if you want the full Gcam experience, I'm going to make a video on how to install the best Google camera, the part I think 5th of that series, and that is gonna be amazing because I found out an amazing new Gcam which captures one of the best shots in the X3 Pro. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the DerpFest tours of the Poco X3 Pro. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below, and I will see you around. Stay safe, stay healthy, make sure you subscribe my channel, and peace out.